The Bhoi District Sports Association will be organizing a football tournament, Bhoi League, which will be held at Soraman, Nongri, Umdihar and SCA Paham's Aim playgrounds. While speaking to media, Banlumlang Lingdo, Chairman Football Committee Rbdsa, informed that the football tournament will feature Women's League followed by 3rd, 2nd and 1st Division and the Super League Division in the Men's League.
Bana kalian football competition kan sedang nak berpeluang ke Bhoi League. Pada kejuk kepuar kepada Usnam berkum ke Association ingin rakhiru ya ke Golden Jubilee tahun Usnam pemerintah. Kenak muda kan ini ingin sedang ikut football league jungi ke berkentup high niki division. Kebanyakan kong ke Women's League nangta ke 3rd division, ke 2nd division, ke 1st division berkunjung ke Super League division. Kenak muda kini syuab ingin sedang ya ke football league jungi ni don berpenting si Barak Sports Club bapin sumha banle shwai keneka inter club transfer ka berkentuk tang yaki senrang ha ka bayaki form khilaf nyo na ka office jong ka Rbdsa bat ka tarif ka bag penkut ya keneke inter club transfer ka long tarif ki submit yaki registration form jong pi ha office jong ka sen